Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail World. Excuse me, I'm eating nice. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. It is hot. Like how my breath sound is hot. It's hell out here, man. Like hot. But right now we're doing this 2005 Corvette, 2006. We're about to knock it out. It's actually not that bad. We already knocked out the interior, so we're working on the exterior. But we're gonna get out here and clean these wheels. If you look, the wheels are pretty dirty because you look at that chrome just shining right there when I wiped it. You look right here on the blue lip, you see how dirty it is. You know what I mean? Just look at that. You know what I mean? Look at the dirt on my finger. We're gonna make sure we get into the real well. Wipe down the sides of the car. You know, just wash the whole outside of the car thoroughly, get that nice and clean. Then we're gonna hop in the inside. We already got the buckets out, generator, ready to go. Like I said, these old Corvettes, and got to open the door, you stick your hand in there to open the door right there. And then these batteries used to die lock, so they put this device right here to open the doors from the inside in case you get stuck. So, but the car looks good. You can see it has the Playmate symbol right there. Playmate of the year 2005. I love how I got this rhinestones and crystals all through the car right there saying Corvette. But I'm gonna go ahead and start on the exterior, get the interior. It's so damn hot out here, man. You see the sun?
It would turn into sunshine.
Yeah, it's baking out here. But I'm gonna go ahead and get cracking, y'all. And like always, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. Stick to the script. Remember, stay motivated, man, because you all you got is you. And on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We got this first car done the other day, which is this Corvette right here, 2005. This car is still beautiful. I used to love this model when I used to work for Car Black Chevrolet. But we got the whole car completely done, got the wheels done. You see the wheels shiny. You remember it literally had a bunch of brake dust on there, things like that. But we got the wheels looking extraordinary. Interior came out well. We actually put a light coat of spray wax on here, things like that. But the interior of the car came out well. She's definitely gonna be enthused with the work. She used to have a Cadillac, and she said the Cadillac got totaled, so she bought another car. She said we got to have in the car, a tree fell on it, so that's crazy. But we dumped this car. I'm waiting on the next lady. Let me know she want me to come. It's supposed to rain today, and I don't want to get over there and start raining. So hoping she responded when I'm doing all this work. And on that note, like always, man, do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do, man. Make sure you stay dedicated to the process, man. Maybe stay highly motivated, man. Remember, do what you gotta do and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Or you do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. Or I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do. You know, if I just said the same thing. And on that note, like always, one love, love thyself. If this the last car, if not. And like that, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, man. We done got this second car done for the day, which is this Range Rover HSE edition. This is the large, the L edition. Basically, this is just a little bit larger than the other size. But yeah, it's a P525. If you look at it, got a little bit more extra room in the back. Actually got that compartment. You know, the other Range Rover, that compartment actually went all the way to the middle. But all these cars are different. They actually got a thing where you can hang up certain items, things like that. Doors, they got the blinds and stuff like that. But we got the car done, man. We're about to get ready to head to the house. They had one more car here for us for the day, but it's supposed to rain supposedly, so I'm not 100% sure. But it's still looking a little cloudy. The rain says it's gonna come in around 125. I mean around 3 o'clock, and it's like 125 right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it a schedule the other car. I'm gonna go ahead and park this car and basically call it a day. But you know, it's been a glorious day today. I'm gonna go home, edit some videos. I got some stuff I need to take care of. I got I was gonna point, so I got my camera right there, but I actually got my camera in my hand. But anyway, man, y'all do what y'all gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. Make sure you stay dedicated to the process. It's a little hot out here today, man. Hey, how you doing? But on that note, like I always, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. We'll probably put this on the schedule for Monday. And like always, man, we'll catch you in a minute. Peace.
Cause I was on YouTube.
Watch TY38.